Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to crochet simple flower with 2 rounds of petals, coral center. As you can see, here are 2 flowers. First one made of variegated yarn, cotton yarn, and the second one made of one color of yarn. Here I used 2 colors, such as pink color and red color. This is the first example. Here I did a 1 round of petals. Thanks for watching my video tutorials. Please follow me in social media. And let's get started crocheting. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain. Now I'm going to do the base for the flower. Now for this chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning. Make treble crochet, not finish. Then double crochet, not finish, into the same chain. Then treble crochet into the same chain stitch. Then double treble crochet stitch, not finish. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the flower is ready. Continue chain. Before the continue, I show you the direction in crocheting. I will begin from this side, continue working with the opposite one, and crochet the stitches on the middle 3 stitches. Work with this stitch. Make 9 single crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue working with the opposite stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Work with the opposite side. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop and look at work. My stitches are ready. Let's look at my work. Now I'm going to work with reverse single crochet in backwards direction. Let's crochet the reverse single crochet. Make a chain and make reverse single crochet. I remind you, I am working in backwards direction. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I have done reverse single crochet trim. It is going to be the central part of the flower. This is the center. My center is ready. Now I'm going to work with chain spaces. It is going to be a base for the petals. Now I turn the work. I'm looking for chain space. Insert the hook like this. Take the working loop, pull it through like this. Make a chain. Now chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we skip 2 stitches. Let's look at the back side. 1, 2, and insert the hook around the 3rd stitch from the back to the front. Make single crochet. This is the back post single crochet. Now chain of 5 for the chain space. I turn the work. We skip 1, 2, and make back post single crochet like this. Chain of 5 for the chain space. Let's repeat. We skip 1, 2, and make back post single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 chain spaces. I have done the last chain space, and to complete this round, work with the slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Round is done. I have done a row of chain spaces. Now I'm going to work with petals. Make chain to bring up the yarn. Work into the chain space, make single crochet, half double crochet, and 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Half double crochet, and single crochet. Make single crochet into the stitch and crochet the next petal. Make single crochet into the next chain space, half double crochet, and 6 double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. And my first petal is ready. In total it should be 6 such petals. I have done the last petal. Now to complete this round, work with the slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Round is done. Now I'm going to work with trim. For this, make a chain, make a slip stitch into the stitch, then chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain and slip stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of these petals. Let's make some stitches. I have already made trim for the first petal, and I begin the trim for the second petal. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. And make a slip stitch into the chain stitch that we work it into. Round is done. This is the first round of petals. You can stop at this stage. And the simple flower is ready. Now I show you how to crochet one more round of petals. For this, make a chain of 4 for the chain space. As you can see, here are my 6 stitches. I turn the work. I will count from the first double crochet. I skip 3 double crochet, insert the hook between the third and the fourth, like this. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I lost my loop. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I take the second petal, turn to the back side, insert the hook between the third and the fourth stitch, like this, and make single crochet. Then chain of 7. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be such 6 chain spaces. I have done the last chain space. Let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the single crochet and make a slip stitch. Round is done. Let's look at the back side, because my chain spaces are visible on the back side. I remind you I did chain space made of 7 chains. Begin the next round. For this chain to bring up the yarn, single crochet into the next chain space, half double crochet, and 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then half double crochet and single crochet. Then single crochet into the stitch. Then single crochet into the next chain space, half double crochet, 8 double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet. And the second petal will be ready. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. And this is the last round of petals. The round is done. Now I show you how to crochet the trim for the last round of petals. For this, make a chain and insert the hook into the stitch, make slip stitch, chain and slip stitch and chain, and continue working in this way till the end of this round. My last round of the flower is done. We just need to complete this round and work. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that we work it into and make a slip stitch more. Round is done and my flower is completed. This flower consists of 2 rounds of petals. For example, I have done exact flowers made of variegated yarn and 2 colors of yarn. Here how they look like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow us in social media and crochet with me. Thanks for watching!